In this problem, we're asked to find the number of sides of a regular polygon with each interior angle measuring 135 degrees. Recall that the polygon angle sum theorem says the following, that the sum of the interior angles of any polygon is n minus 2 times 180. So this is all of the angles of the shape added together, the interior angles added together. Well, if a regular polygon has a certain number of sides, let's call that number n, and there's 135 degrees per every single angle, well, the number of sides and angles are the same, so that means that the total number of degrees inside of this shape would be whatever n is times 135. So 135 for each angle times n will give me the total number of degrees. If there's, 7 sides or 8 sides, and 135 times 7 or 8. This formula also gives me the total number of degrees. So that means that these two quantities must be equal. So that means I have an equation which I can solve. So let's see if we can solve it. Might help to distribute here. So that'll give me 180n minus 360. If I get my variables on one side, so if I subtract 135n from both sides, that'll cancel here. 180 minus 135. Should probably be able to do that in my head, but it's too late in the day. That's 45n. If I go ahead and add 360 to both sides, there's nothing over here to add to, so 0 plus 360 is 360. So divide both sides by the coefficient. 360 by 45 should be my answer, 8. And if I go and check the math there by plugging this back into the formula, you'll see that the answer is indeed 8.